Hello everyone. So in this video we will see stocks for tomorrow, 6th July, and the first stock is Godrej Property. This will buy over 1450 and will keep stop loss below 1442. Then we have IRCTC. This also has given a kind of breakout and will buy above day high, which is 2195. We'll give 5 point buffer as there is nearest round figure. So we'll buy above 2200. Then we have Muthoot Finance. Muthoot Finance, you can see this has given a kind of range breakout here, this one, and then it made a flag, and today again it gave breakout. So we will buy about 1565 in intraday. You can buy this for swing as well, and you have to keep a stop loss if daily candle closes below this TL, so somewhere around 1500. Then we have Laurus Labs. This will buy above 1700 in intraday. Camcon will buy above 535. Today it broken 520 and made a high of 535 and then came back. So now we'll buy this above 535. Then we have consigner. Consigner we have to wait for 605. We can buy this for intraday and swing both. Zensar will buy above 350 in intraday, and we can buy this for swing as well, which will be our re-entry if it sustain above 350. So on breakout, you can buy some quantity like 30%, and then if 15-minute candle closes and it sustain, then you can enter rest quantity. Then we will see Guj Alkali. This we can buy. This I told like it is trading near a support area, and price generally moves slowly around support area, and finally it given breakout. And this is a kind of W pattern as well. So if you are buying this for swing trade, then you have to keep stop loss around 420 here, and in intraday we'll buy about 458, this high. Then we have MHRIL. This is also similar to Guz Alkali, taking support and bounce. Now we'll buy this about 287 in intraday. Then we have AVFRL, which will buy about 225 in intraday. Power India will buy about 1960 in intraday. Then we have cash stocks. Water waste, this I think I have told 2 days back, but it didn't give breakout. So today it has given. So now we can buy this above this level, 146 in intraday. Then we have Spencer's. Spencer's is making a kind of head and shoulder. So for positional, you have to keep stop loss 77. And intraday will buy about 86.5. And for swing trade, if 15-minute or 30-minute candle closes below this level, you can exit from swing trade. Positional, you have to keep stop loss 77, and you will go for a bigger target. This you can measure using this height and other factors like where are resistance, like this is one area of resistance around 96. So these things you can check. Then we have Gujarat Siddhi Cement. This also has given pullback. Now I'll buy about 53.2. You can buy this for positional as well. If you have some patience, then you buy it. This has given a good breakout and then it did pull back. Now next is Bhagaria. This will buy in intraday above 280. Wonderlaw will buy above 235. Sandesh will buy above 860. This is very illiquid stock, so you can set your stop loss and you can buy it. Then we have Genus Power. This will buy above 70.6. Last time also I have told this for swing trade. This has given breakout of this trend line. Here it has given swing high breakout. Here it has given a W pattern breakout. This is the support of a trend line. So there are multiple factors. So we'll buy this above 70.6 in intraday. For swing trade, it looks risky. You have to keep stop loss big. And for positional also, You have to keep stop loss below this trend line. I think good for intraday. Then we Sunday's already discussed. Then we have Century Inca. This is also in range. So you either buy of this wick 430 or buy here 420, 421. Then we have Man Infra. Man Infra we can buy of day high 63. And Boltemp is also making a range. This I will check in intraday on 5-minute chart how it opens and behaves. Probably around 1510 I will observe it day high. And same goes with ITD scene. ITD cementation. Okay. This also a kind of trend line, and I'll probably see it around this level 90.5. And let's check some stocks which are at support. Few new stocks I find. One is Hind Copper. So Hind Copper, it can make a double bottom. So this we can buy safe side. We can buy this about 157, 158. But if you can take risk, you can buy here also. And here you have to keep stop loss 135. Safari, this volume is less, but you have to keep stop loss 640. And better you buy above this trend line and keep stop loss as it can reverse. But fresh breakout will come above 730, 730 level. Fin, this also can make a W pattern. You have to keep stop loss 154 and then you can buy out day high 161 and then it may give you a target around 174, 175. And if breaks, then again it can rally. So stop loss is very small, you can take risk. And I think you can better if you afford, you can keep stop loss for positional, you can keep stop loss below this 150 level. You want to take a small risk in swing trade, then keep it around 154. Blue Starco, this also I told, and this has given a breakout today. Still you can add this stock, but for position you have to keep stop loss around this level below 800. So you can see that. Jubilee Industry, this we can buy at this level, but today it has given breakout, but everything happened in the first 5-minute. It went high up 359 and then whole day it was in this range. And don't enter in the first 5 minutes. Always wait for first 5-10 minutes. Fine Organic, this also perfectly reversed. Gujarat Kelly already discussed. MHRIL, AB Capital. This we will buy above only 120. It is around support area, but we'll buy this above 120. Heritage Food already gone. Satluj Text, this is also at support area. You have to keep stop loss around 52. If you are buying, you can take risk. Otherwise, fresh buy will be above this 61 level. Indian Nippon, this is moving here only. Tape Solution, you have to keep stop loss below 60, then you can enter. Now you can enter above 68. V-Guard, this also have to keep stop loss 250. Kirloskar, this also bounced, you can see, to keep stop loss around 220 now. So these are stocks for tomorrow. Thank you everyone.